Welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video we're going to be replacing alternator. There's a brand new one, that's the new one. The reason that I'm replacing mine is it's just not working anymore. My power keeps dropping. I checked all my connections, belts, everything seems to be in order, so that points to the alternator. First thing you're going to do is you're going to disconnect the power from your batteries. I got a disconnect switch, so I just shut that off. Then we're gonna come here, put a wrench into this tensioner pulley, pull on it, and slide the belt off. 7/16 socket for the negative, and 1/2 inch for the positive right here. And then take it off. Then 5/16 for these. That's the old one, that's the new one. This is a new one. It's a different brand, but it's pretty much the same alternator. This one is 160 amp, this one is 170, but I don't think that's gonna hurt it anything. There it is. This alternator right here did not come from 4-state trucks, but you guys can buy one maybe for your truck. They did not have one for my truck, unfortunately, but they might have one for yours, and you can get 10% off with my discount code OTR B10, of course. All right, we'll tighten that up a little bit more once we put it back up there on the truck. And I just made it freaking dirty, dang it. Now we're gonna put some anti-seize on these screws. Because if you don't, in few years, God forbid you need to change your alternator again like I did, you're not gonna be able to take these out. They might break on you right here, which is gonna be very, very bad day for you. Made in China. Okay, now on this one, it is 1/2 inch. So we're gonna put positive on first, up here. You can mount positive here or here on this alternator. This one right here is 10 millimeter, and this is where the ground will go. Okay, let's fire the truck up, see if that fixed it. Hopefully he has enough juice to get it cranked up. Okay, let's see. Okay, there it goes. Yep, that seems like that was the problem. Because whenever it was running before, the gauge would stay. It would come down to like below 12. It was just not charging whatsoever.
So long, gay boys!